How to allow notifications from specific apps in focus mode on your iPhone. This feature lets you stay focused while still receiving important notifications from the apps you choose. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap Focus. Next, select the focus mode you want to customize, such as Do Not Disturb, Work, Personal, or a custom focus. Under the Allow Notifications section, tap Apps. Tap Add Apps, then browse or search for the app you want to allow notifications from. For example, you can select apps like Messages or any other important app you don't want to miss notifications from. After selecting your apps, tap Done, or simply go back. Your changes are saved automatically. While you're on this screen, you can also enable time-sensitive notifications if you want important alerts from supported apps to come through even when focus mode is active. And that's it. You've successfully allowed notifications from specific apps in focus mode on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.